Okay, so foot to PSI, PSI to foot. This is going to help you backflow people as well as water treatment and wastewater treatment. Okay, so this is for head pressure. So you're going to have your PSI. You're going to go from PSI to foot. You can either use the same formula for both, but it's easier just to remember the two. Okay, so if it's 65 psi, remember whatever your math is, it may show a gauge on a certain height, so make sure you stop there and go up, or add that extra feet. Make sure you understand what they're asking you for. Okay, because they may say it's 175 foot or whatever it is, but it's 65 psi at this level, and then you're gonna have to add another 10 feet. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, so you have your PSI. So let's just say it's 65. I built the Excel formula sheet for this. So it's 65. And then 28 inches, which is 2.31 feet. So it gives us what we need, which is 150, 115. So you times 65 times 2.31. So remember, this is on your top of your formula sheet. So you're not going to have to remember all this. You just need to know where to go. Okay? Same thing. Foot to PSI. So say it gives you a tower height rather than a PSI, or a water height inside of a tank. You got your 100, say it's 150 feet. We have a water tower that's about 150 feet, somewhere around there, 146 feet. And then you're going to basically have that. Divide it by 0.433. If you are determining tank height, you can do a rough estimate and say it's half, real close to it, of PSI wise. So it's 150 feet, it's right around 64 and a half, 65 PSI. Okay? PSI to foot, super, super easy, but it's one of those things to keep in mind.